what happens when Birbal will first meet Akbar. So children, many stories have been written on Akbar and Birbal, many interesting stories, and also when we read the story we come to know how Birbal is very clever. Because of his cleverness, every time he will come out of that problem, and also he will help the other people also because of his cleverness. Okay. Let us read here. So when Birbal wants to meet Akbar, so what is going to happen? What is the story here? Let us read the lesson and we come to know, children. Okay, turn to page number 59. In that, you can just see the picture here. This is the picture of palace here. You can see Akbar and Birbal and the guard here. So what is the story? Let us read here. What happens when Birbal will first meet the King Akbar there. So what is going to happen? Let us read, children. Are you ready? So you can just follow the lines when I am reading. Akbar was the emperor of Delhi. Akbar was the emperor of Delhi. One day Birbal came to meet him. So one day what happened? Birbal came to meet him. He had heard a lot about him. He had heard a lot about him. So Birbal wanted to meet Akbar. So who was Akbar? Akbar was the king of Delhi. He was the emperor of Delhi. One day Birbal came. So you can see in the picture also he had came to meet him. Yeah. So why he came there? He had heard lot about him. So he wanted to meet Akbar there. But at the palace gate he was stopped by a guard. But at the palace gate he was stopped by the guard there. You can see the picture here. Where are you going? Asked the guard. So the Birbal wanted to meet Akbar. So he had heard about the emperor, means king, about the king, and then he wanted to meet him. But what happened when he wanted to meet him? A guard who was standing near the gate, he stopped him there, and he will ask, "Where are you going?" Ask the guard. The guard will ask. Then what happens? Birbal told him that he had come from very far and wanted to see the emperor. Then the Birbal will answer to the guard that he had come from very far place and he want to meet the emperor there, meet the king. He want to meet the king, he will tell. The guard told him that he would have to pay him money to get permission to see the king. So then the guard will tell, he has to pay the money in return to get the permission to see the king. He will tell like that. The guard will tell, if you want to meet the king, if you want to meet the emperor, you have to pay the money. Then only you are allowed to go inside. Then only you are permitted to go inside. That is the rule. He will tell like that. Then what Birbal will do? Let us read, children. Birbal had no money. Then Birbal will not be having money then. He thought quickly and said to the guard. If the emperor is pleased with me, I promise to give you half of what I received from him. So Birbal was not having money. After hearing the words what the guard told, so that he has to pay the money to get permitted to see the king inside the palace. So then the Birbal will be not having money with him. So then he will get an idea there, and then suddenly he will tell, if the emperor is pleased with me, I promise to give half of what I received from him. So then the Birbal will tell the guard that if the king is pleased with me, whatever I get from the king, I will give you half of whatever I receive. I will give you. I promise. He will tell for the guard. Birbal will tell like that. Okay. And then the guard let Birbal go in. Then the guard will be so happy. He will think that the Birbal is going to get lot of money, lot of jewels and all he will get, and whatever he will get, half of it he will get. The guard will get half of the money or whatever the king is going to give him, that he will get. He will think and he will feel so happy, and he will allow him to go inside the palace there. The guard let Birbal go in. Birbal was witty and intelligent. Witty means sharp mind. So Birbal was very clever. With his words only he told something like that. The guard was so happy, and then he allowed him to go inside. The Birbal was witty and intelligent also. He had a sharp mind and he was very intelligent also. He impressed Akbar and soon became his favorite. When he went inside, he also impressed the Akbar. Akbar also liked Birbal. After hearing his words, then he was able to impress the king and soon became his favorite. And also he became favorite of Akbar there. Akbar was pleased with Birbal and said, I will give you anything you ask for. What do you want? So when Akbar went inside, he wanted to meet the king. So he went inside. And then he was able to impress the king there, and Akbar liked Birbal very much, that he is the favorite, he became favorite for the king there. And then Akbar, after that, he will ask, so whatever you ask, I am going to give you. So after Akbar will say, I will give you anything you ask. So he felt so happy by meeting the Birbal there. Okay, and then at this, Birbal asked to whipped 100 times. So what is going to ask there? He could have asked for money, for jewels, or even anything he could have asked. But he will ask for, what is going to ask? He asked to whipped 100 times. So what he will ask? Then Akbar will ask, whatever you want, you ask, I will give you, he will tell. At this, Birbal asked to be whipped 100 times. To be whipped 100 times. Akbar was surprised at this strange request. So Akbar was surprised by this strange request. So why he is asking like that, he will think. He was surprised to hear that. Okay children, so let me stop the lesson here. So let us see in the next class. Let me continue. Let's see what is going to happen. Why Birbal made such a strange request there, and even Akbar was not able to understand why he is asking like that. And then let us wait and see what is going to happen. So let me continue the lesson in the next class, children. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.